Alright, I hope everything is good now. I don't know why the stream crashed and literally all my other tabs crashed, like my trading view, everything crashed. It all just closed. So hopefully we good now. I don't know what that was. But let's get into these charts. It don't matter. Let's get into these charts. We need to label up this dang MNQ chart. We've been labeling up our NQ chart. We haven't labeled the MNQ chart up. So y'all give me a second. We first gonna look at the NQ, see what we was looking for last night. And then I'm gonna give y'all a recap what we was looking for last night. And then we gonna jump over to the MNQ. So first thing first, I end up realizing I had my candles on the settings button. We had candles based on previous candle. And we did change it today or last night. We changed the candles. Right here we had this color based on previous close. We had this last night. We changed it because last night this candle was green even though it was down here because it opened up above that previous candle. Which I was like, I don't think that's correct. I don't think that's what you're supposed to do. So I turned it off. So look, see how it's green? I turned it off. I think this is how I'm supposed to have my charts. And I think somehow we've been trading good even with it not really truly showing what the candle doing. So I think this is gonna help us a little bit more, y'all. I think this is gonna help us a little bit more, honestly. But last night, what we was looking for, we said, hey, market closed inside this gap. And close above is telling us, hey, it's not ready to drop completely right now. Oh my goodness, I hope we ain't getting. Don't tell me it's crashing again. Is it crashing again? Bro, give me a second, y'all. I think it's crashing. Why the heck my stuff crashing, bro? Y'all give me a second. Let me see if the stream crashed or not. I guess it didn't. Cause it keeps saying disconnecting. Um, but yeah, I'm honestly since it pushed all the way back up like that and gapped inside here, I can see us still closing red, but I think we're gonna close inside this gap today, y'all. Honestly, man, we just ate off of this 577. Hold up, y'all. Give me 1 second. Oh my goodness, we just ate off this long. I wish I got in on my other account. Y'all give me a second, cause I can't let y'all see my login and stuff now. Hold up. Can't let y'all see the login, but I definitely show y'all the trade. Hold up, give me a second. Bro, what's wrong with my connection, bro? What the heck? It ain't even let me move the stop loss or nothing. Oh my goodness, I gotta close the dang trade. Bro, it's not closing either. Look at this, y'all. Hold up. This might be top step issue though. Cause y'all know top step be tripping. Look at this. Bro, we cannot close the trade. Oh. What the heck? And my target was 5. It was down here, but I moved it up. It was just these highs. But it not letting me move stop loss. It's not letting me close. What the heck going on, bro? Network error. Is something wrong with my internet? Bro, this some trade. Yeah. Let me try to close it on my phone real quick. Bro, what the heck? Let me see how I close it on my phone. It's gonna log me out on here though. Let me see. It's talking about network error. That's crazy. Come on, bro. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We had some technical difficulties today. When it's literally, I ain't gonna lie, I'm expecting to make a lot of money today. When we getting It didn't even let my top step load up on my freaking phone. I don't know why. Bro, that's crazy. Can't even freaking close my position. Man, that's wild. Hopefully it's some error on top step. Cause if it's on my end and I freaking lose this trade because of my connection, I'll be mad. Hopefully it's due to top step messing up. Let me screen record it just in case, cause I know sometimes people say you gotta have proof, cause top step won't give you your stuff. Cause it definitely came back down, bro. Not loading whatsoever. Hold up, y'all. I gotta put my turn my screen on so I can record it for top step. So give me a second. Cases they stuff that's messing up. Cause if it is, they can give me a free reset or whatever. Like, I can't freaking close. No positions. Let's see. Press close, close, close. Ain't do nothing. Even when it hit a stop loss, it's not even doing nothing, y'all. That's crazy. Even hitting the stop loss is not doing that. Look at this, y'all. It's crazy. Look at this. Even hitting the stop loss ain't doing nothing. They gonna have to give me a new account. Or at least reset it back to the start of the day. Oh, my bad. I pressed the wrong thing, y'all. We gonna just go mess with our apex. We gonna leave this top step one alone. Whatever that does, it does. Man, top step freaking getting on my nerve, bro. Sometimes they still don't be working. At the worst time, that's what's crazy. Literally at the worst time. I'm up almost $1,000 trying to close a dang trade, and it would not let me close, bro. Yeah, dang, bro. Like, I mean, it's cool if they reset your account back to, whatever you had that morning, but it's like, dang, that was a whole trading day, A+ trade I had just gone. I mean, it's cool if you put my balance back where it was at, but I still had to prepare and analyze for that trade, and I literally got to basically say, well, that trading day gone. Let's trade another day. You know what I'm saying? That sucks. Um, Let me go look at these options real quick, because I do want to look at this CrowdStrike, and it might be my connection though. I don't know. That's the thing. Oh my freaking goodness! Let me see. Did CrowdStrike go up there at the open? Yes, I missed it. I meant to get in a short when it came back up to get another short. It's fine though. Let's see. Y'all give me 1 second, cause I gotta add another position to this CrowdStrike shorts, cause I think we really gonna be just dropping crazy on CrowdStrike. Did the 8:45 news come out? Not yet. Oh, we might need to wait on that first. See what it does. But looking at that daily, I told them, I said pull back, possibly keep dropping. Might can see us coming down to like 480. Yeah, about 480. If that news come out and push down hard, we can see that 470. I definitely can see 480s coming. But we need base builder underneath that 486 level though. That's the thing. Where we're still holding above it. So I ain't gonna add another contract until we start building back underneath it again. So I'm gonna wait till we start going back underneath it again. I'm gonna put an alert for the hourly. We wanna know when the hourly crossing down once per bar, yeah. Once per bar. All right, look like we going below it. Come on. We need to start building a downtrend underneath it though, so I can go and take me some shorts, some more shorts at least. I'm a little sorry. I was supposed to get in up here though, but all that mishap at the beginning of the day, I ain't even get. I wasn't always situated with all that dang servers and everything messing up. That junk get on my freaking nerve, man. Good trade too. Oh, I'm saying, had good trade set up. They just played with me. Definitely can see it keep dropping though. I'm gonna go back to that hourly. Made lower low. Really want this hourly to close red though. Cause it close green, it's probably gonna consolidate. We want this hourly to close red. It don't necessarily have to close below this low, as long as it just close red. Let me see what the lower time frame looking like. Mm, tricky. It's a little tricky. We're gonna wait a second. Cause on that alley, shoot, we made a higher high. We made a higher high and a lower low. So probably need to wait a little second. Wait till the hourly close first. Let's go ahead and get on these dang MNQs and NQs though. Why that hourly get to working. NQ, what we said though, let me get back to what it was, cause we ain't messing with top step today. But like we said, we closed in the down close candle yesterday, closed inside this gap, but we did tap into this gap. So we was like, okay, we could see a pullback and then possibly come back down. Well, what it did is pullback. But I honestly, the pullback kind of went way further than I thought. I thought the pullback might go to 25, 193, and then when the news come out this morning, all that news we had at 7:30, I thought it was gonna flush us completely down. Well, it ended up pushing us up to the next gap. So by us pushing back up inside this other gap and opening up here, I do believe we're gonna close inside this gap today. We don't got no other news. I think we're gonna close inside this gap probably. Um, I ain't 100% sure, but I think about 70% chance that we're gonna close inside this gap today. Um, it might still be a red candle, but I do think we're gonna close inside this gap. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That was we already pretty much where we kind of think we'll be at. Maybe if it come down a little bit, depending on if we get market structure shift back up. Like if we come back down to 25, 193, if I see market structure shift happen back to the upside, I'll take a loan back up into the gap again. If we start closing below the 25, 193 and start, trending down, I'll look for the shorts. So really that 25, 193 level is the key level I'm looking for on the daily. If I go to the hourly, I could just follow these this hourly uptrend. Could do that. You could just keep following the hourly uptrend until it finally breaks. But that gap we had to do like one micro if we want to do that, because this low. It's a super fine low. Like that's a lot of space. So either we have to go one micro, aim for the highs, or let it completely come break these structures up here and build a new base. So we'll see it come back, come above. Uh, Probably probably here, and then of course these highs right here. So I want to see hourly close above 25, 372, 50. Then if we get a hourly close above 25, 410 and build base right here, we definitely can see it go to the other side of the gap. So we see this happening. Definitely can see, hold up. I gotta move this around. If we see this happening, oh, it look like we're getting that push. It look like we're getting that push. We might get in one light micro. Let me go to the MNQs real quick. MNQ, where you at? Where you at? I see MES. Where the heck my MNQ? That's MYM. Guess I gotta re-add MNQ. Cause I don't know why I don't see it. What the world? Remove all that. First we said what we said. This the first level we want to see us above. And then of course this high. We could take one micro. Do we want to take a micro? We're gonna take one micro. If it push back below and close below that gap, I mean that orange, we're gonna get out though. Let's set, just set some type of stop loss real quick. If it closes below that line, though, we're gonna get out for sure. But I definitely gotta draw everything up. So let me go to the daily. Daily. Overall, y'all know we looking for what uptrend. We need this high. Turn it to green. Last solidified low down here. Low that we want to see be solidified here. So we turn that pink. If we can get this green daily candle, we can set that there, but this candle gotta close green though. Or a green candle come. For the gaps, mark out the gaps. Look like we're gonna have to get out this trade though, y'all. If it don't start pushing up. Nah, that ain't one. Delete. Might go and have to cut this trade. We were just trying to get a quick little, if it was to stay above that orange level, but it's definitely pushing back down. Is that all the gaps we want to mark? That one. Should be another one. Let's mark this one up. Alright, I think these are the only ones we're gonna mark up for now. And we need a close above here. I think that's it. Is that it? Alright, let's go look at this dang trade because we probably gotta cut this dang trade. Let's see. It swept this high, failed to close above right now, but if it closed green, it's fine. 15 minute, swept the high, failed to close above, but it still got 5 minutes. Hourly, made us a higher high. But like I said, we close below here though. I'm dang near ready to cut it though. I ain't finna let it go all the way down on me. Let's see if we can find some type of base building. Okay, 1 minute building a little bit base. Can we make a higher high so I can bring my stop loss up? Cause I'm gonna at least wait to this hour. I at least want to try to wait to the hour. Hopefully it don't just flush all the way down on me though. That's the biggest thing. It very well can do it. Very well can do it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We only in one micro, cause we ain't finna play these games. Not today. Not today. Mel, is you in here, my boy? I don't know, cause I ain't seen him message. Alright, I think I'm gonna set it here. How many minutes we got? 5? Oh, they might try to play. Dang, we got 5 minutes. They might try to play around. Come on, just go straight up. Don't even come down, man. Cause I feel like they finna try to play around, y'all. I ain't even gonna. It's 5 minutes left. Come on, take this thing high. Come on up, man. Come on up. Shoot. Don't play it. Don't turn red. Please don't. Just go straight up, man. Come on, bro. 17 seconds. They trying to play around. I really don't want to move my stop back down there. I was thinking they gonna just push straight up. Come on, man. Push up, push up, push up. God dang, we got a red. Come on. Ooh-wee, boy. They playing games. Push back above here. Close green. Close past that high. I can bring my stop loss up there. Alright, pushing past, pushing past. We're gonna add one more and I'm gonna move stop loss up there if we close past it. Can we close past? 30 seconds. Gonna add one more, I'm telling y'all. Or should we not add? I don't know. We ain't probably ain't gonna add one more because we got to dang see if we can break through this hourly. But I definitely look, we adding it. We ain't worried. We ain't worried. Sometimes you gotta take a risk, my boy. We added it. Come on, don't go all the way back down now. Well, technically we ain't make the dang higher high. You know what? Come on, make that higher high, bro. We did not make that higher high yet. We did close above, but we didn't make the dang higher high. It closed back underneath this orange line I'm cutting to myself though. I ain't even finna play with them. 21 seconds. Don't close below that orange line. Don't make that higher high. Shoot. Crowd strike coming up, good. So I can get a little entry in on crowd strike. That's good. Come on, go make that high high. Boom, made that high high. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Can we close past that high? We close past this high, I'm saying. No, I ain't mean to say it. Oh, no, 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 no. I ain't mean to say it. We close past that high. I'm set stop loss up there. Don't close red. Please don't. I ain't trying to deal with no dang pullback. Ah, leave, bruh. They don't want to let you be great. Close green. Close green for us. Yeah. 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 Come on. I'm setting stop loss. It's probably gonna come back down, but hey, take what we can. We ain't mad. Dang, it ain't triggered? Oh, you gotta confirm it. See, that's why I don't do this, bro. That's why I don't do this, bro. I'm supposed to confirm it. I think it's gonna come down on this probably. I probably had to cut this freaking trade. Come on. Is it gonna close green? 25 seconds. You supposed to confirm it, bro. What the heck? That's wild. I think I gotta cut it. I think I gotta cut. We said it here, but why look, it ain't asking me to confirm right now, so why the heck I had to confirm earlier? Come on, bro. You know what? If they don't come on, quit playing. Push up one more time, we can set it down. Alright, we gonna set it. Don't say nothing about no confirm, bro. Just close it. If we hit this stop loss, we should be filled. What the heck? And why is only one? And I say confirm. Bruh, let me close this mug. Close. Is it my connection? What the heck going on? But when I tell y'all today was messing up my freaking trades with these connections, bro. How you freaking cut? Y'all give me a second. I might have to end the stream.